any of those, you're welcome to.
Ooh, Cora, look. You're nuts. Yum, yum.
I do have poppers if anyone. Would you like a popper? Okay.
Bum bum.
Is there anything that I can give you to help with that?
There we go. She's totally gonna take my hand off today.
Really?
I don't know. It's hard to tell. She was giving me the evil eye in the cage, but maybe she's okay now.
Hunchback.
See that hunchback evil eye? That's when I'm like scared.
I can tell Cora's like, I want to fly.
Yeah.
Do you want to fly?
Do you want to let her out first?
Yeah, I'll let her.
Probably going to be the one that.
Oh.
Come on, guys. Good.
Who's that? Thor.
And if you get hungry, I also brought you barbecue chips.
Good. Good girl.
You want to come out, princess? Oh,
Pretty princess.
pretty princess.
Has she flown at this tree location before? I don't know.
Never.
You've never been down here.
Wow.
Hi, handsome.
You're looking at the view. Wow, pretty. Oh, you're so cute. I just miss you so much.
Daddy's brought me out finally.
Do you find that she's like better when she's outside?
By herself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god, Phoenix.
Yeah.
Stop.
So much better outside. In the aviary, I think she's always competing.
You're
Yeah.
mine.
What's
You're
this?
so cute and cuddly.
Marie's way better outside.
Big fly.
Oh, she looks so pretty flying.
Wow, good girl. She might play in the tree. Yeah. Pretty princess. Wow.
Hey. Come here, darling.
Oh, bum bum.
Bum bum.
I like how that's just the name now.
Yeah.
Bum bum.
It's
Oh, no, we're going.
Fly in the tree, bum bum. I'm gonna chew wood.
No, we're going to play in the tree.
Bum bum. Where's bum bum? Where's bum bum? In the tree behind you.
Alright, well, he's going to play. I might get Kevin out. Now, Kevin, please do not go anywhere near Cora because she won't like you. Okay? Good boy. Good boy, Papa.
You gonna go for a fly? Play in the tree. Oh, her tail.
So many big birds.
Hello.
Her tail's so bent.
They're not really.
He's really going to play.
I think just let him play for 5 and then pull him.
You want this? Yeah, I thought so. There you go.
Pretty princess. What are you doing? I thought you were gonna chew
I
everything.
have no idea what he's doing.
Come here. Do you want to eat cow poo? Or horsey poo?
I'm actually kind of happy about this.
Yeah. It's totally fine.
Whoa.